Imagine never struggling to hire for repetitive manual jobs ever again, because this new AI robot hand can literally cook meals, wire electrics, solve a Rubik's Cube, and even play piano. And honestly, that's slightly terrifying. Today we're looking at Genesis AI brand new Gen 26.5 system, and this might be one of the biggest robotics news stories of the year for manufacturing automation, AI robots, smart factories, and humanoid robots. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and at Robot Philosophy we spend a lot of time analysing where robotics create real-world ROI, not sci-fi nonsense. And this is commercially very interesting. So here's the big breakthrough. Most robots are brilliant at repetitive tasks, but terrible at human-style dexterity. You know, the fiddly stuff. Like cracking eggs, handling wires, using tools, picking up awkward objects without launching them across the factory like a stressed-out gorilla. But Genesis AI says Gen 26.5 changes that. The company built a robotic hand that mirrors a real human hand, paired with a glove that captures human movements directly into the AI system. So instead of programming every tiny motion manually, humans simply do the tasks. The robot learns, and that's huge, because data has been the biggest bottleneck in robotics. And according to Genesis AI, their glove system is up to 100 times cheaper than traditional robotics training hardware. That means faster robot deployment, cheaper automation, and way more scalable AI manufacturing. And the business applications, massive. Food robotics, warehouse robotics, electronic assembly, healthcare labs, logistics, service robotics. Any industry struggling with labour shortages or consistent problems should be paying attention right now. Because in 5 to 10 years, factories without AI robotics may look as outdated as factories without computers. And the companies deploying robotics early, they'll probably dominate their industries.